So today we will learn do while loop. Okay. Do while. Hmm. What is the structure of a do while loop? Okay. See, it goes like this. You have a do and brace. You have a while and your condition here. Okay. And your statements are here. And this is your initialization. This is your initialization. Do here your statement and your updation and then your conditioning. This is structure. So let us understand how it's going to be similar and different both. Okay. So now if I write a for loop for it, okay, let's say in this case I'm writing a for I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Yeah. Then I will write a print statement. Printf percentage d comma what I. If I run this, what is going to happen? It's going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I want to print, I'm going to say here out percentage d I. We declare the I outside, you can do. In this case, what will happen? I is 1, 1 is less than or equal to 5, print 1. Then I became 2, I became 3, 4, I became 5, and I became 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5, false. It will come out and it will print what? Out 6. Correct? Right. Now look at this. The structure of the for loop was you have a initialization, then you have a condition, right? After the condition, it goes to if the condition is true, it will execute the statement. After the statement, again it will go back to what? Updation. After updation, again it comes back to what? Condition. Correct? Condition is true. Now in a while loop, it's also same. What you did, the difference was initialization was outside, condition was inside this here, and then you had what? Your statement, percentage I, and then I plus plus. And if you print out percentage D, I put I, if I write it, what is going to happen? Same thing. I is 1, 1 is less than or equal to 5, true, is going to print 1, then it is 2, 3, 4, 5, and I became 6, 6 is less than or equal to false, is going to come out what? 6. I'm going to write the same thing in what? In a do while. My initialization, okay, do, statement, right, and updation, and while I is less than or equal to 5, I put a semicolon here. Why? Because in a do while is at the end of the statement. Whereas in for and while, they were at the beginning of the statement. Therefore, you have to put a semicolon here, is end of the statement. I'm going to print outside, put it into percentage D, out. Okay, I wrote out, out, percentage D, I. If I write this, what is going to happen? I is 1, print 1, I plus plus 2, 2 is not equal to 5, go above, print 2, I plus plus I became 3, 3 is less not equal to 5, condition is true, go and print 3, 4, 4 is less not equal to 5, condition is true, print 4, 5, 5 is less not equal to 5, I became 6, 6 is less than or equal to 5 is false, you are going to come out and what? 6. So there is no difference in the output, right? Only difference is what? Here, in this example, in for and while, you have a initialization, condition, statement, and updation. Here, what the structure was? Here, the structure is going to be initialization, statement, and what? Updation, and condition. After condition, again, it goes back to what? Statement. But then what is that? What is the impact is going to make? No, there is an impact. When? Let's see in these cases, in this place, instead of putting here in this case 5, I made 0 here. Here also I made 0 here. And there also I'm going to make 0. If I run this program, what happens? I is 1, 1 is less than or equal to 0, false, it will come out and it will print what? Out what? 1. Correct? Here also I is 1, 1 is less than or equal to 0, it's going to come out and it's going to print what? Out what? 1. Whereas here what is going to happen? Let us see. If I make I is less than or equal to 5, inside I is less than or equal to 0, I is 1, print 1, I plus 2, 2 is less than or equal to 0, false will come out and I'll print what? Out 2. So what is the guarantee a do while gives you? It will execute the statement at least once. Whereas a for and while does not give you any guarantee that is going to execute the statement. Okay, whereas do while gives you a guarantee that it is going to execute the statement at least what? Once. Remember that. Got it? Yeah. Now, therefore, a do while is called as a post tested loop. Why is called as a post-tested loop is because after executing the statement, it is going to check the condition. Whereas for and while is called as a pre-tested loop. Why? Because before executing the statement, the condition is being checked. So when I will use a do while loop, whenever you want to execute the statement at least once, use a do while. Use what a do while. Let us see what do I mean by this. Where I'm taking a simple example for you. I have put right now like this. Integer x is equal to 154 and I want to find the number of digits. Say 0. What you will do? While till what the number is not equal to 0, what you used to do? You used to increase the counter by 1 and then what? X is equal to what? X by 10. And then when you come out, you are going to say printf out percentage t comma what? Now run the code. If you run the code, 154 is easy. X is not equal to 0, C plus plus C became 1. X by 10, how much it became what? 15. 15 is not equal to 0, C became 2. X by 10, 1. 1 is not equal to 0, C became 3. X by 10, how much it became? 0. Come out and print C. I got what? 13. Now I'm going to say here right now, in the place of 154, I'm going to put a 0. What happens if we put 0? See, 0, x is not equal to 0 comes out. Number of digits is going to say is 0. Sorry, in 0 we have one digit is existing. That means this statement needs to be executed at least once, right? Therefore, what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this into a do while. So, do what I should do, C plus plus x is equal to x by 10, while what I should do, x is what? Not equal to 0, and I'm going to say printf, I'm going to say percentage t c. Now, if my x is 154, what will happen? C plus plus C became 1, x by 10, 15. 15 is not equal to 0, C plus plus it became 2. 15 by 10 is 1, 1 is not equal to 0, C plus plus 3. 1 by 10 is 0, I came out, I print what? Now what happened if I put my x is 0? If my x is 0, what is going to happen? If my x is 0, C plus plus, how much it became? 1. X by 0 by 10 is 0. 0 is not is going to come out and it's going to print what? That is the advantage of do while. Okay, a do while will execute the statement at least what? Once. Whenever you want to execute the statement at least once, use what? A do while. Okay, I hope you understand, right? Okay, let us solve a problem. Okay, so now I want to find, I think we solve this problem in a switch case, right? We want to find the area for different shapes, okay? But if you remember, the statements were executed only once. I want to keep on repeating till the user say what? Stop this, okay? How we can do this, okay? So till the user says stop this, I have to keep on what? Repeating this, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the code. Yeah, so this is a program we wrote using a switch case, right? So enter 1, it enter the side, I enter the side is 2, I got the answer, right? Now, if I want to repeat this state program again, what I have to run again, right? No, I want to keep on running till I say what? Till I say exit. So in this case, what I'm going to do? I'm going to give an option 4 to what? Exit. Exit means I need to stop it. This procedure, the user will enter the choice at least once. Either you enter square, circle, or rectangle, or what exit, right? Therefore, I want to put into this in a do. But my do should have a while. How long? How long you should have? Till my option is what? Exit 4. Therefore, what I'm going to do? I want to say here till my choice is not equal to what? 4. I am going to repeat this procedure. See, this code will be executed minimum once, right? Then I'm going back again to take the next option. See, let us see. And there's a square, I put in this case, that's a circle too. And this radius is what, let's say in this case is, I put here 4, and the answer I got it. Now it's asking me enter 1 for square root, but I'm going to put 4, and exit that, and exit the program. It printed invalid option. If you want to say you don't want to print invalid option for 4, then put the if condition before. If choice is not equal to 4, then the code the 1 and the side and 4 exit. I hope you got this. Okay. So this is the way you'll use what a do while. Remember, whenever you want to execute a statement at least once, use what a do while. Okay. So you can solve a problem by yourself. What is the problem is, I'm going to give a number. You need to print the number in words. So if you like my session, kindly share, subscribe, and like. What do I mean by simple thing? If I give you right now 1754, what is the answer I want? I want 1754. So now what you need to do here, if you want this, first of all, we don't know how many digits are. So now you need to print the 1 first, not the 4. Therefore, one option would be what? I could have done it, this option is just simply reverse this number. If you reverse this number, what will happen? 4571. But if you reverse 4571, you will get this. Okay, then you will get the 1, then you will get the 7, then you will get the 5 and 4. You got the answer. But what is the challenge you will face in that option? If you enter right now 1700, when you reverse it, it is not going to become 0071. It's going to be 71. That means you will print only 1 and 7. You will not print what? Zeros. Okay. So this is the challenge you are going to face. Now what you need to do in this case is, in this case what you can do, another option for you. First is what you can do, count the number of digits. If the number of digits are 4, first time what you do, divide the number. If the number of digits are 4, first time you divide the number by 1000, you will get this, and find the remainder. What will you get? 754. Instead of storing the quotient, now to store the remainder. Remainder is what? 754, right? Then 754 what? If you divide, now next time you divide 754 by 100. So therefore this divided by 100. If next time you divide this by 10, it will become 100. 754 divided by 100 is what? 7. Now what do you do? Modulus 100 would be what? 54. Modulus 100 would be 54, right? Now 54, now this divided by 10, how much will become? 54 divided by 10 is what? 5. Now what do you do? 54 modulus 10 is what? 4. Now next is divided by 10, this will become 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 modulus 1 is what? 0. Okay, you can do this. How long? You to repeat till this becomes what? After 1 it will become what? 0. Correct? So in this example, what would happen? 4 digits are there. That means first time what you will do? Your 1000. 4 digits mean divided by 1000. 5 digits mean divided by what? 10,000. Divided by 1000. What I get? What? 1. So print 1. Then modulus 1000, what I will get what? 700, right? How much will become? Divided by 100 is how much it is what? Divided by this, divided by 10, it will become 100, right? So 700 divided by 100 is what? 7. You will get 7. 700 modulus 100 is what? 0. Now divide this by 10. How much it became? 10. 10, 0 divided by 10 is 0. Now again what in this case is divide this by 10. How much it became? 1. 0 again what? 0. 0. Now what divided by 10? Now what will become what? 0. So how long you need to repeat till that power becomes what? 0. Okay, got it? Stop the video, go and solve the problem. So what we did was, first we need to find I need to take an input, right? Integer and printf enter number. Scanf percentage e comma and what? What I should do next? What? I need to reverse this number. Reverse equal to 0. What I should do? Sorry, I don't need to reverse. I need to count the number of digits. C is equal to 0 while n is not equal to 0. C plus plus. Next what? N is equal to what? N by 10. Should do next what? The next step is what I should do. I'm going to say here after this my n became 0. Therefore what I need to do? But we said what? Store it in a variable called as what? M. M is stored. What I can do? Now I need to know what is the power I need to do. P is equal to power of 10 comma. If it is 4 digits, I need 1000. If it is 5 digits, I need what? 10,000, right? Therefore I should write what in this case 10 comma C minus 1. Correct? Now what we did was while, so I need to print minimum 1 digit will be there, right? 2, okay, while my P is not equal to what? 0, correct? Now the power is not equal to what? 0. What I need to do? First is what? I need to put what right now? What in this case? Put a switch and print 1 digit, correct now? If it is what? 1724, first I need to print 1. How to get the 1? I'm simply saying it in this case, my n, in this example, my m, because n is relative 0, m divided by p. Whatever m is what? Divided by p. What is going to give me the quotient, right? The quotient is 1, that I need to print case 1. I need to print all this, print f. Okay, 1 slash 2. Right, great. Right. So same way I need to put what? Case 2, case what? 0. If I say case 0, print f 0 and break. What I should do? Case what? 2, print f 2. So I'm just I'm not going to add more. I'm only given number like that. Okay, break. Now what we said, what is our updation was? My m needs to be updated to m modulus p. This is what we did. If it is 1724, 1724 divided by 1000 is what? 1 we got. After getting the 1, what we did was, now we need 724, right? How to get the 724? 1724 modulus 1000 is how much it became what? 724. But next time I need to divide this by 100, right? Therefore what I'm going to say, P is equal to what? P by 10. I'm going to repeat the procedure to become. Now I'm not going to enter a value which is enter number which is not which contains more than 0, 1, 2. Okay, so I entered right now 201. I got what? 201. So leave a space. If I enter right now 1200 is what? 1200. Got it? I got it. One after one, I put a tablet. Yeah. So first is analyze the problem. After analyzing the problem, what you do? Come and write the code. Till that, don't write the. Okay. Cool. Please solve the assignments. Thank you.